Hi guys, this is Pema. Today we will review about automated crypto trading bot, the plan by Dan Hollings, and also talk about access to my $4,500 worth of bonuses. So the product in this video I'm going to talk about is the product, the plan, which is actually made by Dan Hollings, who is an inventor who has been at the forefront of technology for decades now, and also it's published by one of our favorite brand, Rapid Crush. It's a brand that I trust, and the Rapid Crush, I'm so happy to see the brand Rapid Crush handling publishing, marketing, and other customer services. They also have the interesting fact, like if you buy the plan from the brand, from them, then you will probably buy other product as well. So the story of a plan and Dan Hollings is a free online training sessions which will teach you how to maximize your cryptocurrency investment. Like usually cryptocurrency investing requires a lot of work, but with a little guidance you can make a big amount of money within a very short amount of time. So if you want to learn how to invest in this new market, then Dan Hollings plan is perfect for you. It's definitely going to show you how to do so. So Dan Hollings, who created this plan, originally intended the program to be a private business, but today it has expanded to 92 countries. So cryptocurrency investing doesn't requires any special skills or like capital to implement it, and even people with no previous knowledge of cryptography can implement it as well and make big profits in no time. So it's a great way to make small amount of money, and the results are truly astonishing. Like at first the course may seem very daunting, but it's worth taking to have a look at it. Dan Hollings has worked with a wide range of clients ranging from the novices to the industry veterans, and he is an expert in passive crypto investment with a proven track record of success that he gained. He's now become one of the most sought after instructor in the crypto world. His method usually includes like grid trading, DeFi protocols, and rebalancing. For those of you who have been on the fence about investing in cryptocurrency, the plan by Dan Hollings may have changed your life. So the author Dan Hollings cracked the crypto code and released one of the most popular courses on December 3rd. This course will teach you how to take advantage of a loophole in the crypto code. Like hundreds of people are already making big money with this program. Although Dan was interested in the crypto space at first, but his initial investment were unsuccessful. He did not have any plan and simply brought in the FOMO effect, which was his mistake. And he later lost all of his money while the price of Bitcoin climbed in value. His initial strategy had gone awry, and as a result of which his crypto investment were a disaster. Despite this, Dan Hollings was determined to share his crypto secrets with the general public. In beta versions, he did not record his course because he would have to be in a live call. And beta versions like 1 and 2 focused on the practical trainings, while the beta version 3 and 4 had additional tricks. He is now ready to release the official crypto course, the plan, but it isn't all roses. So also, if you have ever been in the market looking for a personal development book, you have probably have heard about the book Secret by Rhonda Byrne. It's a book that involves gratitude and visualizations. This book, Rhonda Byrne's book, provides numerous examples in this, including like how one woman was able to make a successful career change after losing her father. It also includes a different. It also covers like different topics from ranging from the improving your health and relationships to like developing your general thoughts about universe. So if you want to buy this book, you can find it on Amazon. The book was written by Rhonda Byrne, and it has become a worldwide bestseller. Rhonda Byrne's book includes the wisdom of 24 teachers in the various fields along with her own tips. She believes that anyone can achieve success by following the advice in the secret. It is an excellent read for anyone who wants to learn how to achieve their goals. And while many people disagree with her advice, she does have a point. The Plan and Dan Hollings is a crypto training program that has blown crypto enthusiasts and newbies alike away. I was fortunate enough to jump in early and join the July 2021 beta group. my results are exponential. I wanted to share my experience with you guys, so you can benefits from my experience as well. Read on to learn more about the plan and Dan Hollings. Originally published in May 2018, this review is updated with more recent information. The plan is a six-part course with a 6 session each week. The course is delivered in video format with live demonstrations. Bonuses are included such as additional resources. The plan also has section on depositing fiat into crypto land and resources for international students and transfers. This course is well worth the price, especially considering the Dan's reputation. This program is a game changer. In this article, we will take a look at the plan by Dan Hollings, a cryptocurrency investing training program. While Dan Hollings is relatively new to crypto trading, his methods have already proven themselves in the marketplace. He explains how you can profit from cryptocurrency regardless of the market. His success has led to many crypto enthusiasts flocking to this course. In the meantime, you can take advantage of this course, of this guide to make money with crypto. The plan and Dan Hollings crypto land success in it is an interesting one because it was developed out of necessity rather than intention. While Dan Hollings had trouble in crypto land at first, he eventually cracked the code, resulting in profitable system. This plan worked so well that other people started using it quickly, and eventually the cryptocurrency market was booming. This planned course consists of 6 sessions. They are delivered via video with live demonstration. The course also includes extra resources such as videos, crypto goals, and stable coins. In addition, Dan has included resources for international students and transfers. Although his course was popular in the crypto land community, the price has been low enough for many to see it as an unbeatable bargain. Using Dan Hollings' crypto trading strategy, you can make money from cryptocurrency without risking too much money. His method involves buying and selling low and profiting when prices hit the red line. Using this method, you will be able to gain significant returns with a minimal risk, but at the same time minimize exchange fees. During the webinar, you will also get to know how ordinary people can make same gains. The plan is simple to implement, but it works. You make money when coin pairs move up and down, thus reducing your risk of losing money. It also turns volatility to your advantage, which means you will make more money. The strategy is called the plan. The plan is a training program developed by Dan Hollings. It helps newbies navigate the complex world of crypto by making the entire process easy. It teaches you to trade crypto minute by minute using an automated system. You can also learn from SAS Live LLC CEO Anish Chatterjee. These two men have made a profitable business with the plan. The story of the plan and Dan Hollings' book review focuses on the importance of diversifications in cryptos and how Dan developed a trading strategy that has a high profit potential. His plan was unintentionally developed as he had trouble in crypto land, but eventually cracked the code, and the rest is history. So his plan has been incredibly successful, and he has taught other people how to profit from the same strategy as well. While there are many ways to make money online, arguably the most effective is by buying high and selling low. Regular traders often sell off their positions when the cryptocurrencies go down, believing that they can't make money, but because of their volatility, the price always rises back up. Dan Hollings has made a solid reputation as a financial advisor, and this is the reason why his method have proven so successful. Dan Hollings' trading strategy is based on a web that involves several layers. Each layer protects the investment and maximize profits. You will learn about new strategy every single day. In addition to the plan for phrases, it also includes free webinar trainings. By using Dan Hollings' trading strategy, you will also learn how to build a portfolio that has guaranteed profit potential. So if you're interested in the plan, then click the link below in the description box to access the plan. And also I've got $4,500 worth of bonuses that including for people that buy personally through my link in the description below of this video. So we go down further and then we get to my first bonus. This one is called Il Bandido. This launched a little while ago, couple of months ago, gave really well sold, massive customers loved it, and it's also going to be the method for you to even make more money. So okay, so that's my bonus number one. Bonus number 2 is incognito method. If like I get my teeth in, this will show you the ways to make money online without ever like showing your identity. So it's really really cool. Okay, that's my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3 is the clones. This is a method like of course this will teach you how to ethically duplicate other people affiliate campaigns for your own benefit, so you can make your own commissions. Alright, so that's my bonus number 3. Talk about the bonus number 4 is from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. The reason I have included this is that I know that a lot of you guys are watching this want to make want ways to make money as quickly as possible, because you might need the money quickly as possible, right? So yes, you don't get much quicker than 24 hours. So this will teach you how to do it, how to get from zero money in your bank account to actually getting $100 in there. Okay, so it's my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 and my last one is broke to $100K a month. This will teach you how to make profits and scale your online e-commerce business from nothing to the next level. And this will also teach you everything from the scratch, even if you don't know about drop shipping or e-commerce. Okay, so that's bonus number 5. Once you purchase the plan through my link, then email me at mybonusesget@gmail.com. I will send you login details of all the courses ASAP. Okay guys, so if you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share, subscribe to our channel, and stay updated for further more updates on cryptocurrency. Thank you.